Today we are going to be unboxing Lip Monthly and Ipsy. This is round 2 of Battle of the Beauty Boxes. Hello, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen and I'm so happy to have you here with me today. I unbox all things subscriptions, men, women's, kids, pets, you name it, I unbox it. Right now we currently have a giveaway going on, so if you have not watched that, I'll leave the link up above. It is my 100 subscriber giveaway, and that will be open until the 20th of April. We are currently on round 2 of Battle of the Beauty Boxes. For round 1 we had Lip Monthly, our winner, and Lipstick Junkie, and Lip Monthly had just more usable products and was just more practical everyday use type of a subscription. So it made it to the next round, and this month I decided we would pair it up against Ipsy. This is their glam bag, the original one. If you haven't seen any of my other Battle of the Beauty boxes, I'll go over the rules real quick. For 3 months, these same subscription services will battle against each other, and we'll compare them, and at the end of those 3 months, the one that wins more months will continue on to the next round. And I look at them as, are they providing me with products that I'm going to use on a daily basis or on a regular basis? Does it fit my needs and my wants in a beauty box? Lip Monthly isn't very tailored. With Ipsy, you do fill out a quiz, and now each month you can pick one item if you would like. I didn't. I chose to let it be completely surprise. But let's talk details about our subscriptions. The Lip Monthly subscription is a $12.95 subscription. You get 4 full-sized lip products in here each month, and the value is around $50. My big thing with Lip Monthly is the last 2 months it came super late, like super late, you guys. This one is their March Lip Monthly, and we're in April, and it didn't ship out till April 1st. They took the money out of my account beginning of March. It didn't ship till April 1st. It took a whole month. And I thought, you know, with all the craziness going on, maybe that affected it. I don't know. Once they ship, it takes at least a week for it to get to my house based on where it comes into. But the previous month, February's, was the same thing. I got charged at the beginning of February, but it didn't come till March. With it being crazy and the whole coronavirus and everything's like shut down or slowed down, I can understand that this one would take a little bit longer, or even April's taking longer to get here. I'm okay with that, but March, there wasn't really much going on at the beginning of March. So I don't know why. We'll see what the next 3 months brings and if I continue to like this one. Next up is the Ipsy Glam Bag. So the Ipsy Glam Bag is a $12 a month subscription. You get 5 deluxe sized samples in here, and the value is also supposed to be about $50. I don't know about that. I don't know. I mean, those would have to be pretty expensive samples for it to be $50, but that's their claim. And I find it kind of funny that we have 2 pink ones right now. So let's open them up and get on into it and discover it. I've had this one for several weeks. It's been just sitting here waiting for Lip Monthly to come, and I just got it. It just came in the mail, and my daughter went out to grab the mail, came running back, was all excited, and so I decided, you know what, I'm not putting makeup on. I need to film this video. I have a ton to do today, and I don't have time to sit and put makeup on. Generally tend to hide my skin. Right now my face matches my bags. We're just going with the pink theme for April, you know. That's pretty though. Very cute. This is almost like a fabric canvasy type of a bag. A little bit stiffer and firmer than their other ones. This is March's bag, and they just have their normal welcome card, and that's about it. Okay, first thing on top, oh, that's mini. Look how tiny that is. This is by the brand Starlooks. This is a lipstick blush shader. Okay. Let's open it up and find out what exactly a lipstick blush shader really is. Oh, that's a mini lipstick. Can you guys see? It is glittery. That's super cute. It is very sparkly and shiny. Let's try it. Ooh, it's like a coppery color, and it's very shiny too. In the sunlight, it looks like it's like orange with a hint of pink, but in the camera light, it just looks very orange. That's kind of pretty. Super mini. That's cute. Looking at it, it's quite sparkly. So I wanted to see what their website actually said about it. And it says that it can be used as a blush or shader for the eyes. It has a metallic finish with sparkle. So I see the metallic finish. Can see it for the lips. I don't see me ever using this as a blush. Like, I don't know. It just give you, I don't know, like a shimmery look for blush, and that's just not usually what I'm going for on my blush. And I don't know how well it would do for an eyeshadow for me personally, because my eyes are so hooded. Generally cream shadows just like slide all over the place and they ball up in my crease, but then like when I actually blink, there's nothing where I put it, so they don't work too well there. I don't know how well this would work. For me, this would strictly just be a lip product. It's kind of cool that they make products that are multi-purpose, because yeah, I just like products that are multi-purpose. I think that's cool, but I just don't think that I would ever use this for the other two purposes. But that's just in my opinion. Next, let's see. This is by Cougar Beauty Products. This is a 24-hour liquid lipstick in the shade Cocoa. Okay. I am not a huge fan of liquid lipsticks, and that just seems a little dark for me. I have one brown one. I don't know. Sometimes I wear dark ones and then other times I don't. But that is the color of it. I'm not going to try this on just because I don't think that this would necessarily look good on me. And I also don't love liquid lipsticks. Our next item looks familiar. This is a Steve Laurant lip oil in the shade Orchard. So we have gotten several Steve Laurant products through Lip Monthly. And that's what that looks like. And it's just, you know, clear plasticky, very clear lip oil. It has a pink hue to it, but I'm pretty sure once it's like on your lips, it's not going to look any different. It's just going to look like you have something shiny on your lips. And then by Pierre Cosmetics, we have a clear lip gloss. So 2 colored lip products and then 2 clear lip products. Holy cow. Come out. It does not want to come out. Ah. Okay, I'm just going to rip this box. It is like, there we go. And that's what that looks like. Just straight up clear gloss. The packaging looks nice and sleek. I don't know anything about Pierre Cosmetics. I've never heard anything about them. It does seem like a very thin lip gloss. Thinner than the lip oil. So let's get on into Ipsy. When we pull it out of the bag, we have some items that didn't fit into our Ipsy bag, and this Ipsy bag feels so well made. It is slightly bigger than our Lip Monthly bag, but not too bad. They're very comparable, and actually this month, with this one being more like a canvasy type of a plastic fabric, like it's even plasticky on the inside, they're very comparable, very similar. I think Lip Monthly stepped up their game this month in their makeup bags. It's not that fabric that it has been. However, the fabric is better than some other makeup bags that I have gotten in the past. Oh, would you look at that? It says Celebrate You. It is their product card. So for March of 2020. So let's talk about the products that are outside. Here by RAEL Beauty are 2 face masks. The first one is a Fresh and Moisture hydration, and then the other one is a vitamin C face mask. They are free of parabens, alcohols, mineral oil, silicone, artificial fragrance, benzophenone, artificial dye, phenoxylithium, blah blah blah, PEG, and talc. Okay, so I can pronounce some of those. I love good face masks. I use face masks frequently on a regular basis, so that's something definitely right up my alley. So the face sheets retail for $15 for 5 masks, so that's what, $3 a mask, so we have $6 worth of product right here. And then next we have a brush. This looks like a beautiful brush, and it comes in a really nice case. But it looks very just like sleek and refined. Definitely, I would say this is an eyeshadow brush of some sort. Though I am not huge, yeah, it's an all over shadow. It says on here all over shadow, but you can't read it. My camera's not focusing on it. I like that fact that it has it labeled, because I am just not very good at knowing what brushes are for what, because I don't know, I'm just not good at remembering. So let's open it up and dig right on in. Ooh, bubble wrap. This looks like blush. This is by Shaina B, Miami. Yep, it is a blush. Ooh, that's pretty. Little flamingo sitting on there. That is pretty blush. I have several blushes at the moment, so I'm not gonna use this blush. I'm gonna keep it nice and neat. And then our blush that we put back retails for $29. That would be the full size. This is not the full size product. Next, let's see. This is by Skone Brow Wand. It's an eyebrow pencil in the shade Chocolate. Chocolate. I don't know if chocolate, is that too dark for my brows? Probably not. So it looks, let's open it up and find out what it looks like. Okay, so this end is your kind of triangular shape end, and then on the other end I believe we have the brush. I love brow utensils that look like this, the more pencil-y crayon-y type. Those are my favorite that I like to use. Brow pencil, it retails for $20. I love how they put the prices on here. It makes it wonderful for me. That's a full-size product. That's definitely not a deluxe sample size. Next in here, ooh, by the brand Hempz. Pure herbal extracts, sweet pineapple and honey melon, what is it? Body moisturizer. Ooh, that smells so good. You can't smell it, but you can look at it. That smells so delicious. Definitely smells like pineapples. And this one retails for, the full size version retails for $23. So I'll try to do the math to figure out, this is only 2.25 ounces and the full size is 17 ounces. And then lastly in here by Cake Natural Luxe Beauty, the Curl Friend. And this one says, totally to die for defining curl cream. Frizz fighting, curl defining, glossy silk styling. And the full size product retails for $8.99. So I will try to do the math on that one also. I don't know if it has any silicones in it. So I will have to do my research. Oh wait, let's see. We leave out parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. What about silicones? I'm assuming since they don't say that they probably have silicones in here. Oh, it has one of those foil things on it. I was hoping I could smell it, but it's well sealed. So I don't know if it does have silicone in it, then it'll go in my giveaway box. But if not, I would love to give this a go. In my opinion, hands down, Ipsy would be the winner. There are more products I'm going to use, like the body lotion, the brow pencil, the face masks. The eyeshadow brush is something I would use. I have several at the moment, so I'm probably not going to use that one. There's only a couple things in here that I'm not going to use, like the blush and possibly the curl cream. So I would say this month Ipsy's definitely the winner over Lip Monthly. I don't think it was worth waiting this long for the Lip Monthly box. It was, yeah, just not worth it to me. Let me know in the comments down below which one you guys thought was the winner. I will also leave a poll up here in the I button that you guys can click on and vote for your winner. And I would love to hear from you. Why do you think it's a winner? What products do you love? What products would you use on a regular basis? And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!